Hi children, welcome. Today in this session we are going to learn Yanaadesa Sandhi and Ayavayavadesa Sandhi. This Ayavayavadesa Sandhi is also called as Ayadi Sandhi. Come children, we will learn. Now first we will see Yanaadesa Sandhi. In this Yanaadesa Sandhi word, three words are there. One is Yan, and second one is Adesha, third word is Sandhi. Yan Adesha Sandhi. Okay, what is Yan? Yan is called Pratyaharaha. Yan is called Pratyaharaha. In this Yan Pratyahara, we have Ya, V, R and L. Four letters are there. Y, V, R, L. Okay. Actually, while learning letters, we learnt the order Y, R, L, V. But here in Yan Pratyahara, the order is little bit different. Okay. Now the next word is Adeshaha. Adeshaha means the set of letters. While adding the letters, the old letter will be replaced with the new letter. That is called Adeshaha. In Sanskrit, it is Shatruvat Adeshaha. Like an enemy, it will replace old letter and new letter will appear in the place of old letter. That is called Adeshaha. So, here, which letters are coming as Adeshaha? Ya, Va, Ra, La. These four letters are coming. Which letter will be replaced? Ye, in the place of ye, ya will come. Vu, in the place of vu, vuk will come. R, in the place of r, r will come. Ru, in the place of r, l will come. So, here the definition if we see, if short or long, e, b, r, ru is followed by, that means the first word should be ended with either e or bu or r or ru, either short or long. Then followed by any short or long dissimilar vowel. Then second word should start with the vowel only, but not the same vowel. Here dissimilar they are saying. Dissimilar means not similar. Homogeneous vowel should not be there. Okay. Then we will get Y, V, R, L. These are substituted for E, V, R, Ru respectively. Understood? Here, why did they use this dissimilar vowel? We can understand that here they are using that dissimilar vowel. That means here if it is a similar vowel, what will happen? If it is a similar vowel, then already you have learnt that Dirgha Sandhi, right? Dirgha Sandhi, did you learn? Yes. If you understand that, E in that Dirgha Sandhi also, we are having E, V, Ru, Lru. These letters are there. If both the sides same letter is there, then E plus E, then what will happen? Dirgham will come. So, that's why both the sides same vowel should not be there, they said. That's why this clause dissimilar vowel. It should be except the same vowel, homogeneous vowel, another vowel can be there. Then the previous words last E or vu or ru or ru will be replaced with ya, va, ra, la. Understood? This is called Yanaadesa Sandhi. Now here you can see clearly what is Yan Pratyahara, which letters are there in Yan Pratyahara and the combination of the letters, which letter will be replaced with which letter. E plus any dissimilar swer ya. U plus any dissimilar swer v. R plus any dissimilar swer r. Ru any dissimilar swer l. This is the combination of the letters and replaced letters. Okay. So, in this slide, you can see that combination of the letters. First word, it should end with E, and second word, if it starts with any swer except E. It should not be same letter. Then we will get Y in the place of EE. Similarly, second rule, the first word if it ends with U, the first word if it ends with U, any svar except u, then we will get v in the place of vu. Okay, now in the third one, if we see that the first word should be ended with ru, any svar except ru, then we will get r in the place of r. And last one, if the first word ends with ru and any svar except ru, then we will get lu in the place of ru. Any svar except e, any svar except u. Why they gave like that? That means here in the same letter means again we are going to dirgha sandhi. As I explained earlier, it will go to dirgha sandhi. So except the same letter, homogeneous vowel should not be there. Understood? Here are the examples. Here you can observe the examples. By observing these examples, it will be more clear for you. Okay, the first word prati plus upakaraha. In this, what is the first word's last letter? E. And second word first letter? Vu. Here, first word ended with E, second word started with vu, vowel, not the similar vowel, dissimilar vowel. So then, here what change occurs? In the place of E, we will get Y. In the place of E, we will get U. So, pra, tu, U plus upakaraha, vu, same like that only. Then, if you add this tu, U and vu, it will become pratyupakaraha. Here, thu you are getting. These three letters we are adding. By adding these letters, here we are getting sanyuktakshar, right? Pratyupakaraha. Nadi plus atra. One more example. Nadi. The first word ended with E. Second word started with A. That means dissimilar vowel. So, here in the place of E, what will come? Again, Ya. Either short or long we took na. So, here Ya will come. So, Nadi plus atra will become Nadyatra. Here the plus Ya. Here Sanyuktakshar. Nadyatra we are getting. Okay. Next with u. Su plus agatam. Su, in this what is the last letter? Vu. Agatam, first letter A. So, here in the place of vu, we are getting vo. And su, va. Here su became swa. And swa plus A, swa. Swagatam we got. Right? Next example, vadhu plus agamanam. Vadhu plus agamanam. Here long vowel u is there. And here agamanam a is there. Then in the place of vu, we are getting v. Dh, v, a, dhva. So vadvagamanam we got. Understood? In the next example, pitru plus adeshaha. The first word pitru. In this, what is the ending letter? R. And second word adeshaha. In this, first letter is A. Then here, first word ended with R and second word started with dissimilar vowel. Then, in the place of R, what will come? R will come according to rule. Then, pitru, tru became tar. Pitra plus A. Pitra deshaha. Here, by adding pitru plus adeshaha, we are getting pitra deshaha. Okay. Lru plus akritihi. Lru plus akritihi. Here, lakritihi. Except this example, with the lru, there are no other examples. Lru plus akritihi, lakritihi. That is enough. I hope all of you understand Yanaadesa Sandhi clearly, right? Now we will see next Sandhi, Ayavayavadesha Sandhi. What is Sandhi name? Ayavayavadesha Sandhi. It is also called as Ayadi Sandhi. In a simple manner, it is called as Ayadi Sandhi. In this Ayavayavadesha Sandhi, here Adesa word is there, right? What is Adesa word? According to Adesha word, previously we discussed about this. In that Yanaadesa Sandhi also, Adesha means one letter, while adding two words, one letter will be replaced with another new letter is called Adesha, right? We learnt already in the Yanaadesa Sandhi, right? Here, which letters will come as Adesha? Here in Sandhi name itself also, they gave the letters which are coming as Adesha. Here, first one Aya, and next one Ava, and next Aya, and next Ava. Here, Ayava Desha Sandhi. Here, they are saying that which letters coming as Adesha, right? Here in Sandhi name itself only the Ades are also displayed, right? And which letters will be replaced with these letters? We will see in the Sandhi definition. In that Ayadi Sandhi definition, when A, I, O, Au vowels are followed by any vowel, that means the first word should be ended with A, I, or O, or Au, right? If any of these four letters, if it is there, the first word ended with any of these four letters and followed by any vowel, that means second word can start with any vowel. Then in the place of these four letters, respectively, this first A will be replaced with Aya, and I will be replaced with Aya, and O will be replaced with Ava, and Au will be replaced with Av. Understood? So, when A, I, O, Au vowels are followed by any vowel, then I, Av, Av are substituted for A, I, O, Au respectively. Here in this slide, you can observe clearly which letters will be replaced and which letters are coming as Adesas in the replacing letter. Right? Here in the first word, end of the word, if A is there, and second word, if any vowel, it starts with any vowel, then in the place of A, I is coming, Aya. And if the word ends with I, and the word ends with I, and any vowel is there in the second word's first letter, and then in the place of I will come. And third one, if the first word ends with O, next word starts with any vowel, then in the place of O, Av will come. And in the last one, if the first word ends with Au and next word starts with any vowel, then in the place of Au, Av will come. Okay. Now we will see the examples. The first word, ne. The first word is ne. Ne plus anam. The first word is ne plus anam. What is the first word's last letter? In that A. First word's last letter is A. And second word started with A. So here A in the place of A. Here first word ended with A. Second word any vowel. So here A, in the place of A, we got I. So here N plus A, U plus A, Nam, here it is. So here N plus A, Na. U plus A, Ya. Nayanam. Understood how to add? Okay. Next one. The first word Nai. In this, what is the ending letter? I. Second word started with A. So here I is there, first word ending I, and second word started with vowel. Then in the place of I, we are getting I. Okay. Now here, how to add this? No is there, na? This no plus A, it will become Na. And here this Ya plus A, Ya. Nayakaha. Nai plus Akaha, Nayakaha. Next, Bho. First word is Bho. In that Bho, Bhu plus O is there, right? The first word ended with O. Second word A. A is there. Then, in the place of O, we are getting Ava. According to rule, Ayadi Sandhi rule, in the place of O, we are getting Ava. Then, here, Bhu plus A, Bha. Bhu plus A, Va. Bhava. Bhavanam. Okay. Next, now. The first word is now. In that now, what is the last letter? Ow. First word's last letter? Ow. Second word first letter? E. Here it ended with ow and it started with vowel. Then, in the place of ow, we are writing aw. Here, how to add? In this no plus one vyanjan and one swar. No plus a. Here it became na. And vu plus a. It becomes vi. Na vi kaha. Kaha is remaining same only. So na vi kaha. Understood clearly? I hope all of you understood. Thank you. Thank you, children.